Court is calling 2025 CR 007924, State versus Matthew and Siriaga. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
State.
Defense,
David Andre Woodard for Matthew.
are you Matthew and Siriaga? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Encinia, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? You're charged with aggravated sexual assault of a child. That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Judge, and he was.
Mr. Encinia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state is opposed to your application. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance, no contact with the complainant, and you're subject to the full range of punishment. If you fail to, do y'all mean this to say fail to appear for sentencing?
Yes.
All right. Any objection to the court changing the word PSI to sentencing?
No objection from defense, Judge.
And state?
From the state.
And you will be subject to the full range of punishment if you fail to appear for sentencing. So your plea will still stand. It's just that your agreement will change to you'll be subject to the full range of punishment instead of 10 years. Do you understand? Sure.
So I would probation.
No, this is what is going on. The state is opposed to the court granting you probation. You can still apply, but there's not an agreement. The state is not saying they want you to have probation. They're saying they do not want you to have probation. Do you understand? Now, with regards to you're not appearing, I'm going to give you a date to come back for sentencing. If you don't appear on that date, your plea bargain agreement for a cap of 10, which means that the state would only be able to ask for 10 years, will change to the state will be able to ask for life. Do you understand? Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? The waiver of appeal paragraph just tells you whether or not you have a right to appeal certain things. It's this paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are motions that your attorney has filed, and I've ruled on them. Do you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then to what you're being charged with, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State it offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments, Your Honor.
No objections, Judge.
And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
We have, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review this document called waiver and stipulations? Again, do you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, today, there will be no witnesses, live witnesses. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, are you requesting a PSI and TAP evaluation?
I am, Judge.
Is there a need for a mental health evaluation?
I believe so, Judge.
All right, I need a PSI, TAP, and mental health evaluation, Ms. Abrams and Ms. Ferguson. What date?
I can do February 12th.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you are excused. I will base my decision upon your application upon any information that's given to me, all right?
So my brother, he's in the army, was gonna, like, how do I have him, like, get a contact with child for?
Oh, no, what will end up happening is you'll speak to your attorney about that. And whatever information you want me to know, just let your attorney know, and your attorney will let you know if they think it's appropriate for me to know about that or anything else. Just go through your attorney, okay?
And I won't,
I'm sorry, what?
can I ask one more thing?
Sure.
I was trying to see if permission could go to my child's birthday.
Oh, you'll have to speak with your attorney, and your attorney will have to file a motion for that.
Yes, and I asked him, he said he was gonna talk to you. Said he.
Okay.
I'm not-
All right, and is the complainant the mother of this child?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What do you mean?
I said the complainant in this case. All right, then your attorney, once your attorney confers with the state, the court will consider. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I'm sorry, what date?
February 12th.
All right, so we'll be back on February 12th, Mr. Woodard.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you. Once you sign that, you'll be excused.
Yeah, but-
It was a PSI and TAP.
Yes, and Nick evaluate.